Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast, and today we're going to be talking about an upcoming potential tropical storm, Faye, and some severe weather chances. Before we get into this, I would like to ask you to subscribe. About 75% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. So please click the subscribe button if you like weather-related content and hit the notification bell if you do not want to miss an upload. I also do have a Discord server, link will be in the description below. Make sure to share this and like it to get this out to as many people as possible. Let's get right into this. This is the Storm Prediction Center's outlook for today, July 7th. There is a very large enhanced risk, 5% tornado probabilities, 30% SIG wind, and 15% SIG hail. There are currently PDS tornado watches in Canada just above this enhanced risk with potential for long track tornadoes, but that is in Canada. Moving on to day 2, July 8th, where another enhanced risk would be possible, particularly around Nebraska and Iowa. Otherwise, the tornado chance is very low, only a 2% at this time. Otherwise, it's 15 wind and 15 hail. Day 3, there's a very large marginal risk, which it will very most likely guaranteed be upgraded to a slight somewhere in this region. The tornado threat continues to be low, but a 2% is definitely likely, and maybe even a small 5% towards Missouri area. Moving on to potential tropical storm Faye. These are current tracks for potential tropical storm Faye. Right now it is around over the Georgia area, and it could make landfall in Massachusetts, coastal Massachusetts, and moving into Canada. So this could be a very dangerous tropical storm for those living along the east coast of the United States on the shorelines. This is not expected or likely to reach hurricane status. I'm not even going to say anything about that. I'd say there's maybe like a 0.00001% chance that would ever reach a hurricane. But it'll likely stay either a tropical storm, Faye, or just a tropical depression not named. Intensity guidance, most intensity guidance suggests below tropical storm standards, meaning it will be a tropical depression, but there are some models that do show it being quite a low-end tropical storm, which would mean it will be named Faye. So while the chance is, I would say, moderate, 50% chance for it to be a tropical storm if it forms. I forgot to mention that if it forms. This may not even form in the first place, but I would say it's more than likely going to form into a tropical depression at the very least. Looking at the GFS model, you can see here that low pressure system, that L right there is where this right around where the center of that tropical system currently is. And you can see that being pushed along the coast here in future hours right there. Hour 54, which is around Thursday, July 9th. You can see it's along the coast of Virginia and North Carolina with 1,008 millibars. And it continues to be pushed north. And this one actually shows it making a landfall in Massachusetts, potentially as a post-tropical storm. But then that moves into Canada like any other tropical system that would take that track. The National Hurricane Center currently has a 30% chance for formation in the next 48 hours and a 40% chance for formation through the next 5 days. So right now they are predicting the chance is low to moderate for this to actually form. Flash flooding will be the main threat, otherwise tropical storm force winds are definitely possible. That's your trusted weather forecast for this upcoming tropical storm, potential tropical storm Faye and the severe weather chances. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Goodbye.